Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa chicken biryani. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1.5 cups of quinoa, 1 pound of chicken, and your favorite biryani spices. It's crucial to rinse the quinoa well under cold water for at least 2 minutes. This step prevents any bitter taste. Next, marinate your chicken pieces with a mixture of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a robust biryani spice blend. This preparation sets the foundation for a flavorful dish. Now, let's build those delicious layers. Begin by sautéing thinly sliced onions in a large pot until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Then, add your marinated chicken to the pot and cook it until it's tender and well-browned, absorbing all those aromatic flavors. Simultaneously, cook your rinsed quinoa separately. Use a 2-to-1 ratio of liquid, like water or chicken broth, to quinoa. Make sure the quinoa is fluffy and perfectly cooked, but not overdone. Before moving to the next step, with your chicken and quinoa ready, it's time to assemble the biryani. In a heavy-bottomed pot, start layering the cooked chicken and quinoa, alternating them for an even distribution of flavor in every bite. Sprinkle fresh herbs such as cilantro and mint between the layers. For an authentic touch, drizzle a small amount of saffron-infused milk over the layers. Seal the pot tightly, perhaps with foil and a lid, and cook on very low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. This dum cooking allows all the flavors to beautifully meld together. Once the biryani has rested, gently fluff it with a fork. This helps to mix the layers and release all the incredible aromas you've created. Serve your delicious quinoa chicken biryani hot, perhaps alongside a refreshing raita, which is a cooling yogurt dip, or a crisp fresh salad for a perfectly balanced meal. It's a fantastic, healthier twist on a classic. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.